Gung Hei, Fat Choi, everybody, and a happy Chinese New Year to you. Like I said in my videos for the past few weeks, crypto market will return on the 16th of February, and it looks like it's going to be great for the rest of the year. Now on to the main news I want to talk about first is that the Waves platform will be dropping Bitcoin Cash to holders of the Waves community token. This is not the normal Waves asset, this is the Waves community token, which you can buy on the Waves platform. So while you're listening to this video, I recommend start moving to exchange your Waves to Waves community token to get that airdrop. However, it's not that simple. The airdrop is going to be on Thursday, 22nd of February. So you need to set up a new Waves platform address that has the capital letters B, C, and H in consecutive order. And then on the day, they will transfer the the Bitcoin Cash to your WCT there. It will be proportionally given out to the WCT holders. So if the address has BCH in it, in order, you'll get twice the amount. Okay, so if you have BCH in the address not in the right order, you will get Bitcoin Cash. But if you have BCH in consecutive order, you'll get double amount, which is awesome. So all of that is quite easy to do, but because I was putting a lot of focus into it to make sure that I did it correct, it took me about 30 minutes, which is fine. So go to the Waves platform, generate a new wallet address with BCH in it, get twice the amount if BCH is in order, transfer your WCT to it, and wait for Thursday, which is going to be awesome. And so every time you generate new address, it has to have BCH in it, and this can take a few minutes, or you can go to this website vtsol.org. You can copy, select all, copy and paste this Python script that generates that keeps generating a address for you until it has BCH in it. So if you know how to use Python scripts, that is quite handy. So thank you very much, VTSol. They're creating analytics and trading solutions on the Waves platform, such as this graph that tells you the highs or lows, the changes, the opens, closes, and the volume of various Waves tokens. So you can quickly see which Waves tokens has the most volume, and WTC, as you can see, is going quite up a bit. Let me have a look at this. If you look at the chart for WCT priced in Waves, as I've said in other videos, the price has been going up since December. Up until Wednesday, there was a big pump, there was a crash, and then the price now is pumping again. After this news is breaking, there was somebody trying to buy 15,000 WCT tokens today. So I say it will go higher than the recent high this week, and I wouldn't be surprised if you saw that one WTC was equal one Waves. That would, for me, that'd be so awesome if that happens. So, if you're on the Waves platform, still time to exchange all your waves and all your tokens you don't really care for that I did today for WCT. Make that transfer. Waves in general is also having a good day. It's been rising now for a week. MACD hit the bottom of the RSI and it's going up, and the MACD is as going up. It's crossed for the week. So it looks like Waves is back in town, and because there has been some positive feedback in the media recently today, and I'd say there'll be more next week. If we can see it pass $9.44, that means this recovery is on its way, and we could easily see $14, $15, $18 in the next 2 months, I would say. Of course, Big Daddy Bitcoin talking about 2 weeks bull run. If you saw my videos recently, I was saying that running up to Chinese New Year was going to be good. So I think it's confirmed that we know what the bottom is, and it is going to continue to soar between now and June. Staying above $10,000 is psychologically a good price, but I would say getting to more than $12,000 or $13,000 for a day would mean it's 100%. It has broken its downtrend, and we could easily see $20,000 between now and June. I say that is quite certain.